Hello CI scholars, I hope you have enjoyed your holy festival with your family and friends a lot. Yes, and now we are going to discuss and revise two topics today. First is question and statements, and second is yes and no statements. So this is very important when you are writing some sentences, because I have checked your papers and notebooks and I have found that many of you know the answers well, but you made few grammatical mistakes while writing answers. So be careful, right? So now this video is for those who made a mistake while writing the statement or sentence. So here, what is a sentence? So a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. So a sentence should always have a meaning. For example, if I say I am riding a bicycle, this is a full and complete sentence. It makes some sense. When I speak this, you understand what I'm trying to say, right? But if I say that I bicycle, so does this sentence is having any meaning? No. So a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. First thing is this. Second is, it always starts with a capital letter. Children, you make a lot of mistake when you are writing a sentence. Whenever you are writing sentence, the first letter of the sentence is always and always capital. Okay, so be careful while you are writing this. Third is, it ends with a full stop. So many of you forgot to do this full stop. This dot is called a full stop, and it is also called a period. So whenever you are writing, make sure when you write complete your sentence, then put a full stop at the end, right? Fourth thing is, a question is also a sentence that asks you something. Okay, whenever we are asked something to other person, or someone is asked something to us, so in that also first letter is capital, but when we are asking something, it ends with a question mark. So question statement is also a kind of a sentence. Okay, there is a difference between statement and questions. Statement means a simple sentence, right? But a question statement is when you are asking something to other person, right? How are you, what are you doing, how's your school? So these all are the questions. So in question also, the first letter is capital, but in the end we are putting question mark, right? So now let us do your worksheet which I have sent you. So in that, first question is, look at the group of the words below, tick the ones that are sentence. Okay, so now we have to keep all these 4 points in our mind, and if all these 4 points are correct, then we will put a tick mark, and if it is not, then we will put a cross. Okay, open door the place. Now this statement is not true, right? Open door the place. No, it is not like that. And second thing, it starts with a capital letter, but it does not ends with a full stop. Okay, but instead of this, if it is written like open the door please, then it is a correct statement if full stop is added. So this is not a complete sentence. Second is, it's grass. No, we don't understand what someone is trying to say, so again it is not a sentence. Third is, I water the plants every day. Now this sentence makes sense? Yes. It starts with a capital letter? Yes. It's end with a full stop? Yes. So this is a complete sentence. So we will put a tick mark in front of that. Fourth is, he first dance competition. Now here again it does not starts with a capital letter, neither full stop is there, and this sentence is also not having any sense. Okay, this group of words does not make any sense, so it is not a sentence. The last is how are you. Now it starts with a capital letter, ends with a question mark. Why? Because it is a question statement. Okay, how are you? So this is a complete sentence and we will put a tick mark. Okay, now see the second exercise. In this, complete these sentences using the correct set of words from the brackets. Now sentences are given, brackets are also given, and we have to put a correct word. So the first is, my dogs likes to dash, chew bones, read books. Which will suit better to this statement? My dogs like to chew bones. So we will write chew bones. Okay. So this way you have to finish this exercise. So let us discuss all today. Many of the farmers dash planted cats, planted crops. What does farmer planted? Farmer planted crops. So many of the farmers planted crops. Right? Third is, cats like to dash, paint picture, drink milk. Very easy. What does cat likes to eat? Cats like to drink milk. Right? So we will write drink milk. Fourth is, the sun is dash, shining brightly, sleeping soundly. The sun is shining brightly. Right? Fifth is, Sachi can make beautiful dash. So beautiful weather or paper flower. What Sachi can make? Sachi can make a beautiful paper flower. So this way you can do it. Now let us see the third question. It is also very easy. Look at the picture and write the correct sentence. Okay, so now again by looking this picture we have to fill in the blanks. In the worksheets I have given you the options. Above brackets I have given, but here I have not taken. But we can do it, right? I saw a dash. What is this? I saw a tiger. Now second is, the vase is full of what? Full of flowers. Right? Third is, Rohit is dash a dash. So Rohit is, what he is doing? Kicking a ball. Right? Fourth is, Seema is dash and dash. Seema is eating an ice cream. Right? Fifth is, the birds are flying. Okay. So this way we can make a complete sentence. And like at your home also you can play such kind of games by asking your mama or dada to complete this sentence. So this way you can play, right? Now the fourth one is, use capital letters, full stops and question mark where necessary. So again you have to keep all that 4 points in your mind. First is, who is talking loudly? Now it is a question, right? So how we will write? So first letter of the who is talking loudly. First letter is capital and question is there, so question mark, right? Second is, are you playing in the rain? So again this is a question. Are you playing in the rain? Yes or no, right? So again A is capital, first letter of the sentence is capital and ends with a question mark because it is a question statement. Third is, Sunday is a holiday. So here again S is capital, Sunday, and it ends with a full stop, right? Fourth is, why is Amit laughing? Now this is bit tricky, but Again, the first letter of the sentence is capital W is capital Y is Amit. Now Amit is a special name given to the person, proper noun. Remember children? So the first letter of the proper noun should be capital. A is capital and laughing and question mark. Why question mark? Because it is a question. Why is Amit laughing? Right? And the fifth one is cow gives us milk. So in this, C is capital cow and it ends with a full stop. Okay? So complete this. Now this is the second topic, yes and no statements. Now sometimes somebody is asking you something and you are not able to answer in English. So this is the simple way to give answer like yes and no statements we call. Okay, so see this. Yeah. First is, if somebody is asking you, is this the sun? Is this the sun? No. So how you will reply? No, it is not. It is the moon. By using yes and no statement, you can speak few responses. You can give small replies to your friends and family members. Right? Is this a flower? Yes, it is. Okay. So this way you can do it. While doing more worksheet, by doing more practice, you can answer it well. So now this is the question 4 in your worksheet. Read and circle the correct answer. Yes, it is. No, it is not. First is it an eraser? Is it an eraser? Yes, it is. How we will reply? Yes, it is. Second is it a sharpener? Somebody is asking you, is it a sharpener? No, it is not. And you can say, it is a pen. This way you can reply. No, it is not a sharpener. It is a pen. Third is it a pen? No, it is not a pen. Is it a book? Yes, it is. Fifth is it a ruler? Yes, it is. Right? Now this is the last exercise in your worksheet. Answer the following questions with yes, it is and no, it is not. So again the same way. Is this a mango? No, it is not a mango. Right? Is it a bus? Yes, it is. Is this a girl? No, it is not. Is this a toothbrush? No, it is not. Okay, so children, I hope you understand all these topics well, and while doing practice you can do it better. Enjoy your days and happy learning.